How to open voice room in Hellotalk app. So here you have to first of all just go and sign in with any one of your account here. Now once you have all this information, just go and click on next, right? And here obviously have to enter all this details and click on start learning, right? So how do you hear about this? Just skip this part here. Now to open a voice room in Hellotalk app here, the very first thing you have to do, that is access the voice room feature. Right, so how we can access the voice room feature here, open this Hellotalk app and navigate to the voice room tab, which is here in the bottom right side corner. Just go to this voice room here and click on this microphone icon to start creating a new voice room. Right, so once this is if you want to do this, you can always create this up and you can join any one of them. Right, choose the primary language for the room, for example English, and select a room type such as a beginner or advanced depending on your target audience. Right, and once you do this, for example if you want to create, you can just go and click on agree and then you will able to create it. Right, so for now I don't want to create, so I will just close this up. Right, and once all settings are configured, click on this button to start the voice room. You will then wait for participant to join. There are typically 8 spots available for speaker in the room. As participants join, you can invite them to speak or engage in discussion. You may also have option to manage the participation and interaction during session. So thanks for watching this video.